Did you know that checking and managing emails are one of the most important and often a lengthy parts of Hong Kong workers' daily routine? To keep your competitive edge in today's workplace, this is the best mobile app you need in your pocket today: Outlook for mobile. A common challenge faced by mobile workers is how to make it easier to get things done quickly and securely while on the go. Let's take an example here by exploring a typical day of a sales manager. Meet Jamie, an experienced sales champ. On his way to office, Jamie receives an email from his customer that contains confidential information. As a recipient, Jamie can open encrypted emails sent by others with Outlook mobile app anywhere, anytime. With that, he's able to give timely responses to his customers and internal team on the go. By the way, did you know that 90% of data leakage is caused by user mistakes? For Jamie, he can feel assured as Outlook Mobile can highlight potential security risks if he's not paying full attention. For example, Jamie just received an email from his manager with a different email address. Outlook warns him to be careful. Even if Jamie goes ahead by clicking on the link, Advanced Threat Protection protects the link and prevents him from visiting the site. On top of this, the IT team at Jamie's company has applied additional data management policies where it restricts him from copying or saving data to locations with unacceptable data protection levels. Jamie is now heading to his client office for a meeting. For sales managers, it's often the case that important documents and presentations are shared in meetings and there's not enough time to jot down the notes. With Office Lens integrated into Outlook Mobile, Jamie can take a picture, and with the infusion of AI, the image can be converted to a readable version and added into email in just a few clicks. Scan, click, and send. How convenient is that? One meeting after another, Jamie receives a chunk of emails within a few hours. As a sales champ, Jamie takes full advantage of the focus inbox view on Outlook Mobile. This saves a lot of time for him to focus on the important emails first. Here's an email just sent from Lee, with an @ which calls out that Jamie needs to take immediate action. Lee is asking Jamie for a document. With AI, Outlook Mobile is able to gather the most recent files he received and worked on all in one place. Sent. Now that Jamie's done with all his customers' meetings, he's heading back to office. He met one new customer named Miriam. To better understand his client's background, he searches her name on Outlook. Not only does he see the contact details, but also Miriam's LinkedIn profile, organizational chart, and his recent email communication with her. He often visits his client's LinkedIn profile like this for their experience and educational summary, all within Outlook Mobile. It is almost the end of day, and Jamie is ready to leave the office. As he walks out of the entrance door, he tries to organize his schedule for tomorrow. With Scheduling Assistant, he is able to get more done on the go by arranging different meetings in a matter of few clicks. For his internal team meeting, Jamie is able to view his co-workers' availability at a single glance. For bigger team meetings, or those that involve his external partners, Jamie has another option to send a few time slots to his recipients according to the time that works for him. Staying connected and organized has never been easier for Jamie. With the help of Outlook Mobile, he is able to overcome the common challenges faced by mobile workers. Gain the edge at your workplace by connecting, organizing, getting things done quickly and securely with Outlook Mobile.